Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how I prepare my white rice, okay, or baby rice or awamo. Yeah, I have in my pot some vegetable oil. I just dye some onion into it, saute it for some time, and then wash your rice and then pour it in there. You have to stir it and let this fry for some time. This awamo recipe is the simplest recipe, so this is what I like to do for my kids to send it to school, and they also love it to eat it at home. This is what we have been cooking for a number of years now. So I just go ahead to add in my seasoning cube and some salt to taste. Of course, you need to stir this very well before adding water. Please guys, I'd like to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and viewers. I really appreciate you guys a lot. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And to those who have not yet subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe and join this family. So after adding the water, I just go ahead to cover it with the lid and let it cook for some time until it is soft and nice. Okay, so this rice is ready. I will be taking it with pepper sauce, pepper and tomatoes, and also I'll be adding some sardines to it. You can as well take it like that, or you can have it with stew, okay, tomato stew. So this rice is ready. So guys, I did boil some eggs, so I had it with boiled eggs. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye.